Ijele and his gang celebrating the fake sentence of Mazi Nnamdi. The injustice that perpetrated against Igbo, claiming that he's fighting for Igbo and making the mockery of his own brother. My people, I'm going to play you the video for you to watch. Why I bring this video here is I want you to save it because history will remember all of them. Share this video.
Hey, my people, I say make I give you update. For those of you where want go Sokoto, NG Igbo, they fly to Sokoto from Abuja, even Lagos. Air Peace, then they go Sokoto too. Asman, then they go Sokoto. Then if your hand no reach there, you go GUO, then they go Sokoto. Chisco, then they go Sokoto. I think as they want to still they go Sokoto now. Now know all those is normal this thing. You can check online. Then if now small bus you want use, the company goes still there. If now from Abuja here, many day. Kasina Mass Transit they go Sokoto. Brunu Mass Transit they go Sokoto. All of these people they go there. Now those of on our bingos we no get money. We don't bring container body like 5. So drop your name in the inbox. You understand? Yeah, drop your name in the inbox. If you won't go, then now from there we'll go give you location. Drop your name, phone number, and how we feel reach you. Leave your address. You understand? Make we the day we go there, we will go mention the locations. Every state capital we go put each of them 111 9 be 5 where we go put there. If you want go Sokoto, you enter the container body. Everybody go there. Now Ndi Igbo wey dey Sokoto, make I warn you, face your business. Person call you for phone, say hey, help us go, go see Odendufu. He is now an international terrorist. If you dey go visit international terrorist, you see your international passport, they don't tag am. You see that your shop where they do business. Anybody fit come at any time. And if they call your name, you go follow them. Anybody send you, tell them make you fly, go there. Or make you use bus. Or now they go show their commitment. Shebi una they see when people, they from many places, they walk out on foot to go meet people waiting their door. Now will be your opportunity to show your commitment to Nnamdi Kanu. Your loyalty. Only do fabi. Shebi na you your life fabi. Your kidney there in hand. Use leg, go there, go meet them. Tell them to come there. If not, you go regret your life. You go regret your life. I no go beg you. See, I know what made something happen to Ona. This is my bingos. I love Ona. I love my bingos more than anything. That's why I prefer make we dey use mouth. They talk. I'm not Cancun. You want to go? If we to do the press on our neck, I'd rather be pressing on our neck than coming here to read the news. Say you go visit finish, something happen to you. Your family go begin, they no care. Shebi you don't see the wife. You see the photo I take start this thing. The wife now they don't even tell her. And for her to even write that thing outside, be like say something done the boy for background where we don't know since. Of which I don't hear some, I no go talk yet. They go use their hand, they expose themselves. So let them, the dead bury the dead. It's their business. You leave your business, go there. Anything happen to you, no such who cannot tell you.
Yes, my people, welcome back. And as I've watched that video, Nigeria is a place everyone can do anyhow and go scot-free. But the only thing that I have to tell Ijele is, as you are now fighting for Igbo and you love Nigeria, It's not only in Igbo land that is a problem. There is also a problem in the northern part of Nigeria. I want you to start talking. Start condemning the Funanis and pointing hands. Check who is the sponsor of those Fulani. Point them hand. Call them out. So that Nigeria will be good for you as you wish to be in Nigeria. So this is the assignment I'm giving you. But if you keep mute on what is going on in Nigeria and keep sabotaging your own people, my brother, the ancestors of Igbo land will never forgive you and will never forget you. The history will always remember you for your sabotage of your own people. I beg, wanna share this video. Drop your own opinion for inside comment section.